Hey guys, showing you this Bruno Marc kids loafers. So good protective covering, nice packing, and a gift box with a good solid sole. And the side is a nice thick sole with the top is a nice built and stitched. And this don't have any laces but a design flexible design so that is easy for the kids to wear and take it out. Soft insole so that it's very much comfortable for the kids. So both pairs looks nice with the same craftsmanship and a nice pair and the stitching. So comfortable to the kids, fits well, looks nice, and yeah, is a trendy, nice design shoe or a loafer for the kids.